What am I doing early in the morning? Sat right next to a beer drum, or a drum and a wheel. One of the greatest inventions on the planet, the wheel. It hasn't changed the purpose of its invention. All it has done is shown us how to move from our feet, in reducing our effort, in moving pretty much anything. And with this first principle thinking, would you say the invention of the wheel is a first principle of thinking or first principle of thought? Aristotle, no. Anyone, given the situations, anyone troubled by a situation, who would want and wish to find solutions to a human problem that we encounter, one would simply find a solution that will work for the benefit of all. This is the capacity of the human mind, human thought, human emotions, human energy, and the limited time that we've all got. What a great invention, huh? By a mistake, a fallen log in the forest was seen as it was rolling down the slopes. Seen it to be a potential innovative idea. But nature put us in front of this, and the people who were at the time saw the need for that natural process of what was real with existence. They put a small effort in creating a wheel. Instead of rolling a log, a spoked wheel. Those days the materials were just wood, what one could find before the discovery and innovations of materials and minerals, and transforming that through breaking the process of the raw material into a fine material. But we had no tools, with bare hands those days. But as we discovered and came across splinters of stones and splinters of shrapnel that could be used to carve out something like this. And then an innovation of material, we enforced the wooden rim with a steel plate around to hold it, because the existential realities are so real. The wood start decaying and going back to earth, just so as our bodies. Whatever that came from earth must go back to earth. And so as the metal that we finally created into a sheet, with over time will rust and decay and become part of earth. Everything we discovered, everything we've got, going up, going down, everything that we've got here hasn't come from anywhere else. It's always been here, and it will always be here. Your stock markets, your GameStop, and all of those ideas that you come about and start rattling the cages of different people, thinking that you're going somewhere is a very convoluted, very blind idea about realities of our planet, our life. And here I am talking about the wheel, the greatest invention or greatest discovery by fault through nature's phenomenal creation. A phenomenal intelligence of nature that we just pay an attention to that. All of your silly ideas of textbook and scientific knowledge is a minuscule, it's just a teeny little, puny little drop in the ocean of what we don't know. So here we are, a great invention, a great idea became an infinite idea, and then people thought, oh, we'll do a coach out of it and transport people, goods, post, gold, and your stupidity as well. Yet, what we must remember, we must never fall in front of a wheel because you might get crushed. Never put your ideas first before paying attention to the intelligence of existence, and be respectful of it all. Thank you.